Welcome to Kiss Naturals. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own bath bombs from scratch using our DIY bath bomb kit. Let's get started. We're going to start by opening up our package of secret formula and pouring it into the bowl. Next, we're going to slowly pour our witch hazel into our mixture. While we're mixing it, we don't want the mixture to be very wet. We want it to feel like moist sand. So you do just little bits at a time. And now I'm going to mix in some fragrance. You can use up to a bottle of fragrance. You can choose which one you want to use here. Because it is an oil, it is not going to make this mixture fizz. You can see how this is all coming together nicely. Look at that. When you squeeze it together, it really holds its form. So now we're ready to go ahead and put everything into our molds. So we take a little bit at a time here. What I like to do, a little hack, is I like to roll it into a little ball like this and push it into the mold. You want to really pack it down. This entire container is going to fill this mold. And a little, sort of like a little trick that I use if I want to keep the heart shape, is when I'm filling these, I push into the heart shape here, into the crease, and then I push. So this way, when you remove these, it's really gonna hold the form heart. When you're done, you should have something that looks a little bit like this. We're gonna go ahead and let this sit for 2 hours before we remove them. We wanna make sure that they are very, very dry. And so now, after a couple hours have gone by, we end up with these adorable little gold bath bombs. So I'll show you the way that I remove them is you just kind of put a little bit of pressure really gently. So there you have it, making Kiss Naturals bath bombs is as easy as 1, 2, 3. For more tutorials, you can visit us at kissnaturals.com or click to subscribe.